So my name is Chris Koska, and I'm an engineer here at Mohawk Spring, a division of MW Industries. We specialize in compression release valve springs for the LP industry and natural gas industry. Things that are used in regulators, relief valves, and expansion valves. A compression spring is a spring that gives compressive forces. You're actually compressing it down, and it's reacting and giving you a force against the surface that you're compressing it against. For the valve industry, squareness under load is an important aspect of spring design and quality assurance. When a spring is compressed to a specific load height, there is a perpendicularity and parallelism that gets measured. Since valve springs typically are used in a compressed state, they are usually seated against some valve body or seat body in the valve. And if that compression spring is not perfectly straight, when that relief valve opens, at the time it closes, it may not seat perpendicular to the surface it's resting against. That leads to basically a relief valve leaking inside a unit. A large portion of compression springs produced by MW Industries go in some sort of valve. Whether release valve, regulator, butterfly valve, expansion valve, any kind of valve. So it could be oil and gas, automotive, anywhere you use a relief valve. So they're used in nuclear applications. They don't have to be gases, they could be liquids.